Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to Mixing It Up Together. I'm Dawn. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to do one more game of recipe Pong, and today it's the red cups are going to be breakfast and the blue cups are going to be dinner. I'm not going to say which one they are yet. Whichever one I don't make today, I'm going to make in a different episode anyway. So let's get started and see what we're going to make. Okay, are you ready to see what we're going to make? All right, let's get started. Remember, it's 3 balls, 3 different times, unless I get the same one the first and the second time. So let's see what we got here. And red is breakfast, blue is dinner. Let's go. Red. So we got red this time. The other one fell out, but we know that 2 are red, so 1 breakfast. Got to grab the ball. I love this game. It would really be fun to play with a cup of beers if I knew how. All right, 1 breakfast, 0 dinner. Darn it, dang. Red. They were all red. So it's going to be breakfast today. Okay, so I'm going to get everything together for a really good breakfast sandwich. A really good waffle breakfast sandwich. So I'm going to get everything together and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I'm going to start off by cutting these potatoes, and I already boiled them, so all I need to do is fry them and crisp them up. And then I also already made my smoked sausage, so I don't need to do that. All I need to do is fry this up. I'll probably just heat this up either on a pan or in the microwave, probably. It'll be quickest. And then just go ahead and fry these up. So I'm going to cut up the potatoes, start the bacon, and you guys, this is going to be really good. It's going to be really good. I've never made a waffle sandwich or one like this, so we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm going to cut up the bacon first. Get that in there. Get that in the pan. Hope everybody's having a good day. It is cold here today, but hopefully it'll warm up soon. Last week it was 80 something, and this week it was in the 20s this morning when I woke up. So that's cold. It's been a cold week. But it's supposed to end up getting 60, so we'll see. So I'm just going to cut this up. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut these potatoes up. We'll get these in the pan also, and then we'll go from there. I only have a few potatoes here since Tim is coming home tonight. He won't be probably eating breakfast, but I'm going to just cube these up. Then I'll put them in some hot oil. This is done. Now I'm going to put it in a pan with hot oil and hot butter and just get them crispy and season them up with some seasoned salt and garlic salt and get my bacon going. Okay, everybody. I just turned the bacon on and I got the butter and the oil in here, and I'm going to add the potatoes in a second. Make sure I have the right burner on. Yeah. This is going to be so good. And I'm not adding any pepper or onion in my potatoes, but you sure could. You could add whatever you wanted. I got to get my seasoning. I just use garlic powder and Lowry seasoning on my potatoes, but you could add whatever you wanted. Plus, I don't want peppers and onions on a waffle breakfast sandwich. Oh, it smells so good in here. And these potatoes, again, are already boiled, so I'm just browning them up, crispying them up a little bit. I still haven't got a spoon rest. I really need to get one. Bacon, potatoes, some smoked sausage, eggs, all in between 2 waffles. Yum. Okay, the bacon's done. Just going to put it on a plate to drain it real quick. Okay, so I thought I had record going, so I've done all this stuff and none of it was recording. I made this into a waffle mix. I added the waffle mix and then syrup and then waffle mix on top. I think I now know it's blowing over the edges. And I don't want the syrup to get to the edges because I don't want it to burn my waffle iron shut. But also I wanted just enough mix for a couple waffles, but I bought a new mix this time. Usually I use Hungry Jack and you can make 2 and you're good. This one I had to make a huge batch because I'm not sure how to. The smallest batch you can make was using 3.5 cups of the mix. So, and here I thought this was recording all this time. This is how much mix I had to use. So I'm going to have to refrigerate it. And when Tim comes home, I'll make him some waffles. If I screw up a waffle in a waffle iron, I quit. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't quit. Well, it's not sticking. So I'm going to push it down further. Turn it up. My waffle usually doesn't do this. I'm going to get my eggs out and get them ready to fry. Oh, I'm so pissed I didn't have my camera on. Dang it. Oh, it's looking good. It just got a brown. I'm going to turn it up now that I can smell the syrup in it too. Okay, so I just have the smoked sausage here with some potatoes. I'm going to just throw it in the microwave. All right, let's check it out here. Check the bottom. A little bit longer because it's not that crispy. Oh, it is, I guess. I still want it a little bit longer. Cut this off. Fry my eggs real quick, and then we'll put this together. This is good. This side looks more done. That's good and crispy. Let me unplug it here. Oh my gosh, look at my, you can see the syrup in it. I don't know if you can. Nice and crispy. I always like the crispy edges. So first I'm going to cut it real quick in half because I'm not eating, I'm not going to put another whole one on top. So okay, I'm going to start assembling before I start my eggs so I can just throw my eggs right on top. So I'm going to use my hands. It's my waffle. So I'm going to put some potatoes on the bottom. Then smoked sausage. This looks so good. Okay. Okay, I have my 2 eggs. This is a big sandwich, but it looks so good. Look at that. Potato, smoked sausage, eggs, bacon, and I'll put this right on top with some syrup. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to eat this, but let's try it. I just want you guys to be able to see. This is huge. Oh my gosh, yum. I'll just set that aside. I forgot my syrup. This is huge. This is like an extreme breakfast or something. Look at that egg yolk. So nice and crispy still. Let's see what I can get in my mouth. I know this is going to be good. Big, but good. Oh, yum. Potato, egg, bacon, smoked sausage. The salty and the sweet, the syrup in the waffle. This is so good. The yolks with the egg. What a breakfast. Yum, 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 yum. Woo, woo. Let's do it. This deserved that woo, woo because it's really good. Super good. Thanks for sticking with me today. I appreciate it. I hope you try this in your own way, but it's super good. All right, y'all have a good day. Be safe, stay healthy. Bye.